What up, what up, what up?
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers, it's me.
No talking, let the slaughter commence. For those who claim king, but low-key softer than Prince. If we was talking cars, maybe Joker at best. And if so, Heath Ledger, I still lay him the rest.
Shout out to Nick and Carla Rochelle for putting me up on the St. John's Bush tea. About to make me some right now. St. John Bush tea after it's been steeped. I put a little bit of honey in there. Usually I have my tea with sugar, but I want to get the full effects. So.
Not everybody, but people who grew up with trauma, people who...
The St. John's Bush is a hit. It ain't even hard to swallow. I thought it was going to be gross. I know y'all hear me watching Lily. Lily. It's a 10. Thanks, Nick and Carla. Ad was garlic salt and accent. She taught me with just the garlic salt, but I do the accent for a little more burst of flavor. And then you go in with the lemon juice, just enough to coat it. And this might be fire. You cover it. We're going to put that on 3 so it can pan sear and have a meal. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. But again, accent, garlic salt, lemon juice.
6.5 hours later.
When we parted ways, I thought that was it. I broke your heart, you burnt my love like an arsonist. My heart cold trying to heal these wounds. Not alright, but I will be soon. I felt sick, lost a child in the womb, but you ain't even tell a nigga get well soon. I could've had the same energy, but that don't agree with the enemy. Every time you needed saving, I would be your hero. Found out you were sleeping with the enemy. When your mom passed, you must forgot who was there at 3 in the morning. And you threw it, ooh, I see how you do. Cut me off